my channel. I am Tamujit Chakraborty and you are watching Rick Hacks. So today I will make the mjolnir from Thor. So this is the Thor's primary weapon. So today we will make this weapon. So how it make, let's see. Friends, to make the mjolnir we need this type of 4 pieces. So we need to join this like this. Then we need to join this part. Okay friends, let's join the parts. Friends, I have fixed these 4 parts with each other. Now I have to set its handle. So here is my handle. To make this I have take a roll. Now let's fix. Friends, I have fixed this handle. You can see it. Now I have to make its side parts. To make the sides, I need this type of pieces. Now let's fix this all.